Hey, it's Abraham. So today we're doing an unboxing for an electric shaver. So I was looking online for an electric shaver that is affordable yet high performing. So I have a very dry skin and thick beard, and it takes me a long time to shave. I was trying to find a way where I can be more efficient, so I did some research into the world of electric shavers, and I found that Braun offers the best electric shavers. Right now the most premium product is the Braun 9. It goes for $350, so if you're into buying something that premium, go ahead and do it. Anyways, the Braun 3 sits in the middle of the pack. I got this for 110 Canadian dollars. I bought it online from walmart.ca, and I read a lot about it, and I watched a lot of reviews that praise this small little device. So let's unbox it and see what we have inside. This is the Braun Series 3 ProSkin. It's you can shave wet and dry using this. It's 100% waterproof. The exact model number is the 3040S. Inside the package we should have the shaver, the cap, and the brush. This machine comes with a precision trimmer. It's German technology, the company is German, but this unit that I have here is made in China. So let's open it and see. Okay, so we have the manual right here, and here's the brush. So that's the manual, and that's the brush. Of course, we have a charging cable right here, and here's the little shaver. Here's the cap, and here's the electric shaver. As you can see, it's a very good looking device. So you have the S3 here, and it says wet and dry, brown. Here you have the trimmer, and here you have the blades. So we have 3 blades. I'm really excited about using this device, and I'm looking forward to having more efficient shaves with fewer irritation. That's all I've got for you today. See you later, guys. Take care.